What is up, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Fiverr gig on Canva. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, search on for Canva, and after that just click on this official website of Canva and you will be redirected to this home page of Canva. And here, when you click on home, you'll just see a search bar, and then you can just type in Fiverr gig image. You can find a template and an image for Fiverr gigs. I'll just click on Fiverr gig image, and here you can see there are multiple pre-built images for Fiverr gigs. You can choose any one from them, but do look out for these pro images which charge a bit premium about the image. But you can go with the free ones. There's no as such no charge for the free images, but for the pro images you definitely have to pay the premium. So you can just simply select an image and edit, or else you can, on your left side you can see the option of create. You can just simply create your own Fiverr gig image. This is available in four sizes: resume, presentation, doc, and video. So I'll just simply click on presentation. So you can actually choose from these designs. These are the inbuilt designs for your Fiverr gig. For example, I choose this design, and these has multiple pages. If you want, you can add your own elements by clicking on this elements, and then here you can just simply click on shapes. So here I clicked on square and a square appeared. You can just adjust this square according to your size needs, and you can even write something like I'm writing hello world. So as you can see, hello world is printed inside the shape. This is how you can create your Fiverr gig with multiple options. Like if you want to change the font of the text, you can even change the font, and if you want to change the display style, you can even change the display style of your text. And if you have an image, or you have downloaded an image, you can just simply upload that image on your gig like this. And here are some tools that you can use to edit your gig. Once you are done, just simply click on share and press on download. Here there are multiple types of file downloading options like PNG, JPG, and JPEG. The best suitable is PNG. I'd recommend this because the PNG image gives the quality that matches your gig standards. So from here you can just download and you can upload it on your Fiverr. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.